The translation of the question is as follows. By the grace of Allah, I have accepted the truth of Hazrat Ahmad alayhi salam, but I am concerned about an instruction of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be on him, what will be my answer to the angels when they will put me the question, to me, who is your prophet, Muhammad or Ahmad?
Will it be said like that, Muhammad or Ahmad?
This is according to...
I doubt if it's like this, because Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam knew very well that he was both Muhammad and Ahmad. So how could he part him himself into two different things? I think the words of hadith have to be verified. Find out which hadith and then verify the words, then I'll answer it. But if the question means that the angel will ask just who your prophet is, in that case the answer should be the same as the answer of Hazrat Muslim of Islam himself. Our prophet is Muhammad Rasulullah. Whoever is his prophet is our prophet as well. Right? But my impression or my expression was not absolutely correct. I should have said, we believe in him because we believe in Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah. Not it is his prophet, that is why we accept him. We accept him to be a prophet only because we accept the word of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah. So he is a prophet for both, he is the master of both of us. Right?